Hello, students of Kennesaw. My name is Greg Allen, and I will be going over how to use the Cyberduck software client. Cyberduck is available both for PC and Mac, but is used more by Mac users. In this video, I will go over how to download and install the program on a MacBook, how to set up the program, and I will also be showing you the interface of Cyberduck as well as how to upload and download files to the server. You'll be using Cyberduck a lot throughout school. I use it a lot for uploading documents and files from Dreamweaver or Text Wrangler. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to cyberduck.io, and it should take you to the Cyberduck page. Here is the main Cyberduck page. You can download it for Windows or Mac. We're using a Mac, so we're downloading it for the Mac. So when you come here onto the main page of Cyberduck, you will see the download button right here on the bottom left where it says download on the Mac App Store. So we're going to click on that. So you click through the ad, hit open through the App Store. I guess it's through the Mac App Store now. I used to get it through the browser, which is fine. Cyberduck, which is now $23.99. I don't think that is. Oh, wrong button. You click that one. So let me go back real quick. You click the download for Mac OS or Windows button. This one right here. I don't know why I was trying to charge me $23, but it is free. It's a free software, as you can see, but it still costs money to write, support, and distribute it. So if you wanted to support Cyberduck, you can. So first we're going to click start the download. It's a free software download. So right here, scroll down to here, we're using it. So click Cyberduck for Mac OS. Click that once. As you can see, the download has started right here. We're going to let that download go. So basically, Cyberduck is very well known because it's a very user-friendly application. It's very easy for people starting out who want to just upload files to the server or download files. I'll show you how more about the software when we download it. See, it's now downloaded, so we can now click Cyberduck, and it's expanding, it's downloading, doing its stuff. Just wait a couple seconds. Alright, Cyberduck is now downloaded. As you can see, it is in the downloads folder of the Mac. So we want to put this in the application. So while it's highlighted, to highlight it, you can just click it once. So you're going to click it, drag it to the applications right here. As you can see, it's now disappeared. If you go to the applications folder right here, you are able to find Cyberduck probably at the top right here. So Cyberduck is now installed on your MacBook. It's installed on mine. If you've been following along, it's hopefully installed on yours. So we will then go to the Cyberduck. We will click the icon. It should open. It says, are you sure you want to open it? Click open. Cyberduck should open. You can close your applications folder. Now what we have here is the Cyberduck Client. Here in Cyberduck, this is where you can see, upload, and download all your files. When you first open it right here, you come to this screen, and right here, the big black area, it might be white in some cases, it just depends on how you have it set up. This is called the local remote directories. This is where all your files will go. Anything that you've uploaded or downloaded will show up right here. So the first thing I want to go over with is the interface of Cyberduck. At the top of the screen here, these are your tools and settings that you can use to upload and modify the files that you have put here. These buttons below, open connection, well, it's right here. These are your quick action, quick links, if you will. Here you can switch from your browser, see your file names. You can go to your bookmarks. Anything that you have bookmarked will come up. You can go to your recent connections. I had a recent connection on May 4th last year, not so recent. And then here is something called Bonjour, which is Cyberduck's web DAV auto discovery. The action icon displays the different options that you have to manage your server. If you click it, it brings down a drop-down menu. Next to this is the refresh icon. This will update all the files and any changes that have been made. It will update it. The next one over is the edit icon. It allows you to make a change to a certain file directly into the server. You can make changes to this toolbar. You can add more icons, take icons away by simply going up here to the view and going to customize toolbar. Here you can click customize toolbar and it'll come up with a whole bunch of different options for you to customize your toolbar to your liking. The next thing after you've done it, your customization, you just click done, and now we're going to get into how to upload a file to Cyberduck. So you want to come up to the top left here where it says open connection. This allows you to connect to the server. Now the first thing you're going to see is this that comes up, and you want to be sure of this because you want to go to Sftp, the SSH file transfer protocol. It's similar to the FTP file transfer protocol, but it's just more secure. So with the Sftp protocol, this will allow you to upload files. You want to use the server. So you have to use the server to connect to the server. Your username and password is your credentials to connect to the server, and the port is what is needed to connect to the server. It says if it's a SFTP, it will use the port 22. So you want to make sure that you click the SFTP, and then for the server, you want to use studentweb.kennesaw.edu. And then after this, you'll go into the username and you type in your information. And if you want to add it to the keychain, that just basically means it will remember your credentials from next time, so you don't have to sign in again and enter it all over again. You're going to leave none for the SSH private key, and then you're going to want to hit connect. Once you hit connect, it'll ask you if you want to trust the host and the connection. So we do. We're going to hit allow. So now we are connected. We're now connected to the Kennesaw server, and here we are able to upload and download files if needed. So after you fill out everything correctly and you've entered this page, you'll be you're starting out, you should have. So if you're starting out fresh like I am, I just re-downloaded it for y'all. You should see the files that are already on the thing. I have one from a last class, and then you have this one, which is HTML. Everyone should have that. So you would like to click on HTML. It brings down some folders. This is your folders on your file. So I already have 2200 folder and the 3260 folder. If you go down here, it has some homework that I've been uploading. I can work on it from my MacBook, upload it to this file, then use it on a different computer on campus. So that is good. So to upload a file, we'll go to the HTML folder, and then we want to click we can click whatever. We'll click the 3200 folder, as you can see. And then what we want to do you want to go to the action icon and you can click upload, or alternatively you can right click and hit upload. Either way works. You just click upload and then it's going to take you to your files that are on your computer. You can just simply go to it. Say if I wanted to upload, let's see, my resume, I can go upload, select it, and click the upload button. As you can see right here, this is your transfer queue. The transfer queue will show you the process, the priority, the speed status, and if it's uploaded complete or not. As you can see right here, the transfer is incomplete and the upload is completed here. So we're going to hit allow. It's going to go, it's authenticating, wait for that to be done, and as you can see, the upload has now been completed. So once you're here and it's uploaded, we can go back to, you click here because this is the transfers, this is your thing, and as you can see in the 22, so it uploads into it and then you can move it into the folder that you like, move it in there, you hit, and it's going to ask you if you are sure you want to move it, you move it, it is now into the 2200 folder, it is uploaded. Say if I wanted to download something, you can go to the files that are downloaded, or up here, say you wanted to download my index.html, you simply click on index.html and you download. You can right click it and hit download, or you can click it download to go directly to a certain folder you like, or you can go from the action icon and click download. Anything else that you can do, you can upload one or multiple files at one time. You can simply do it by, if you go back to upload, you can select one and select it and upload one at a time. You can upload multiple by using your cursor. If you get it in the right area like that, you can highlight a bunch and upload them, or you can hold down command and you can just simply click the files that you like to upload. And again, you just hit upload, it goes right to the server. You'll go through the transfer queue to tell you that which files are being uploaded. It'll have priority, and you will then all your files will then be uploaded to the server. So after that, that's basically everything for Cyberduck. Whether you want to upload a web page, some code that you want to working on with a group or something like that, and you need to upload it, you can do that. This is a very good software. A lot of people use it. A lot of Mac users use it. It's available for PC as well. So another important thing that you want to know about Cyberduck is when you're done uploading or downloading the files that you need to have on your computer or on the server, be sure that when you are all said and done, you come up to the top right of the screen right here where it says disconnect. You simply just click disconnect and it will just successfully disconnect you from the server. Make sure you do that. That is important because otherwise it'll just stay connected, and anything, it might cause some errors with some certain files and stuff like that. So you just come up here to disconnect, and then when you want to connect again, you'll have to come up to the open connection and you have to insert your stuff. Mine's already has been remembered because I hit add to keychain. I suggest you do that. It'll take a lot of time away from having to input your credentials every time. Thank you for watching my video. My name is Gregory Allen. This is a Cyberduck tutorial for my class Capstone course. I hope you all have a good day. Thank you.